Okay, we're going to talk about how to do your book reviews. So, I want you to find the reviews for 5 different books. And the syllabus is going to have more information about this, but I want you to look up 5 different books. 2 of them need to be at least from this source, the Horn book right here, and I've included the link to this website in the assignments box. But anyway, when you go to Hornbook, you don't have to log in or do anything. I want you to just scroll down and you'll see where it has book reviews. Now, you can go ahead and click on like the first ones. I don't want everyone doing the exact same ones. So obviously if you want to do the first one, it'll take you from there. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at this first one, The One and Only Bob. Some of you may have read The One and Only Ivan. That is actually based on a true story. And recently Disney Plus just released the movie of it, and this is probably one of my favorite books actually, and I've used it to teach. But anyway, let's look at The One and Only Bob. So you'll click on the review, and all you're going to do is you're going to take and you're going to highlight all of this information right here. You will copy it and you will put it into a Word document. I've already done a few here, and what you're going to do is you're going to paste and put it in. So please try to keep your reviews maybe like 1 to a page. I've got one that goes over 2 pages, but anyway. So after you copy and paste it, you're going to go and you're going to read through the information and just pull out some information that you think that is interesting or something you would need to know as you're looking to learn more about a book. This is not books that you have read, this is books that you want to read. So first off, just kind of looking through it right here, it is actually kind of a companion book to The One and Only Ivan, but from a different point of view. Man, that stuff is so popular right now, is to rewrite the same story over, but from different perspectives. And this time, instead of it being from Ivan's perspective, it looks like it's going to be from Bob's perspective. Bob is a dog. Let's see. So I've got that. Let's see right here. And it talks about, oh, this is very interesting to me. I love this kind of stuff. But it says that the text is actually broken up on pages and it sort of looks like prose. I love stories in prose. But anyway, so that's good to know. And then let's see right here. Oh, here's another thing that I would personally highlight, but it talks about how it gives her the opportunity to explore themes of forgiveness, redemption, and heroism. Okay, so all I want you to do is just pull out some interesting information like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is, if you want to do it differently, I don't care, but just insert a text box and put it here at the bottom. And this is where I just want you to maybe type your initial thoughts and reactions. So I would put, I read The One and Only Ivan, which is the companion, I'll say book to this story. Bob was one of Ivan's best friend, and it will be interesting to view the inside of Ivan's domain from Bob's point of view. Applegate is one of my favorite authors. So this is a story I definitely want to read. Okay, so you're just going to put your initial thoughts and feelings. Oh, it tells me something's wrong with that. It doesn't like me to feel differently. Okay. All right, so fair enough. So you're going to have all of those put into a Word document. Now, the other thing is I want 2 of them to be reviews on a potential controversial book, and I want you to address that. So, for example, here I've got a review from a book called Dress Codes for Small Towns, and as I'm reading, it actually talks about, I pulled out this information or highlighted this information, deals with the theme of modern organized religion in a way that feels authentic. I'd really like to check that out and see. And then also gender identity and gender fluidity are major themes, which I think that is something that some people find controversial. And so uh, that would be definitely something to look at and check out. So you can see that this actually came from, it did not come from the Hornbook Review, which is fine. I just want at least 2 of them to be from Hornbook. This actually came from a friend of mine, Reading Lark, and that's her website where she reviews books. So once you get all of that the way that you want it, remember you're just copying, pasting, highlighting, and then just kind of writing a quick little blurb, and that's it for that assignment.